Ito yun guys, yung luya. Luya, ayan. Mga ano nandyan, luya. Nakatanim dyan. Hirap. Falls pa more. It's honey. My open eyes.
We'll never come in between. You're part of my energy. Here for infinity. When the world has took its toll, when the world has dealt its cards, and if the pit is hard, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took it all, I'll stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella,
Iwan na kita dun. Okay. Pwede kayo inom dyan? Ay, pa-more. Andito na kami ngayon sa falls. Ayan. Medyo maliit lang siya, hindi siya ganun ka taas ng ibang falls. Pero malalim daw yan. Ayan. Kaya maganda dyan. Papakita ko sa inyo.
Miguel, nahulog ako gulpi.
Nami, di, dali na.
Hindi.
Ay, ilang tawa na si Bagat. Tiyak ako pa-picture ka. Oh. Nak, huwag madulas ka dyan, nak. Huwag kang kikilos muna. One, dance.
You had my heart, never be a world apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be my star. Baby, 'cause in the dark, you can see shiny cars. That's when you need me there. When you are always there.
Mas namin, dito ka na puno. Ano ka, false?
When the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took it all, I'll stick it out till the end. Promise me more than ever. Knowing we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella.
Picture din, picture din.
Under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, These fancy things will never come in between. You're part of my enemy. You're for infinity. When the world has took its toll, when the world has dealt its cards, and if the king is gone, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Oh, I'll stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella.
So yun na nga guys, pauwi na kami. Thank you Tabay Falls dito sa Pandanan. Pandan. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Medyo mahirap yung daan. I hope nag-enjoy pa kayo. Sa ilog, ang mundo'y tahimik. Habang hinihintay ang mabuting bago Hello there guys, welcome to Kikoy TV's premiere, alright? My premiere, I would like to invite all of you on October 4. That's going to be a big day celebration of my birthday, alright? So meron po tayo mga pasabog dyan. Of course, you'll get to have a chance of winning 1,000 pesos cash, GCash or load. And of course, 500 pesos GCash or load at marami pang iba. And syempre, meron din po tayo mga masasayang palaro on October 4 that will start at 5 p.m. as early as 5 p.m. hosted by Sharon Lee Vlog, Toni Tambay, Aecob and Mom, and Connie Vlogs. Alright? At marami pa pong iba. And I have some surprise guests as well, nakakanta para sa aking birthday. And at the same time, yung sa ating pasabog po, all you have to do is click nyo na yung link later on pagkatapos ng premiere. Meron link dyan sa baba. Ang gagawin nyo lang is puntahan yung link, alright? I just wanna make sure that guys, kay Tina Matutina, all you have to do is to watch the full video, yung tatlong full video, and screenshot nyo po siya, then isasend nyo po kay Tina Matutina sa Messenger, alright? Tina Matutina, Tina space Matutina, alright? And then, ang pinaka-best, pag nasend nyo na kay Tina Matutina, that's considered as one entry, alright? Di po pwedeng ninja, only legit account lang po. And also, if you have the best comment dun sa tatlong video niya, pipiliin ni Tina Matutina ang pinaka-best comment at kayo po ang mananalo ng special prize galing sa kanya mismo, alright? And wag nyo rin pong kakalimutan to like ang page ni Tina sa FB, alright? FB page niya is Tina Matutina. And for the rest of my sponsors like Sharon Lee Vlog, Toni Tambay, Gloria Dugay, Aecob and Mom, and Narrie Kim, all you have to do is to subscribe their channel, alright? You can also use your ninjas, alright? Or any other accounts, and then make a comment there, and then lagyan nyo lang po ng Kikoy sa dulo para maka-join sa entry natin, alright? So I'll be seeing you guys at 5 o'clock, October 4, that's Sunday here in the Philippines. So magsaya at magkita-kita tayo that day at mag-celebrate ng aking birthday. Have a blessed day guys. Bye-bye!
Drop it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like.